Essay on Ideal Teacher. Teaching is one of the most important and respected professions. The teachers are the most learned people in the world. Teaching is a great responsibility and not merely a job. An ideal teacher must be compassionate. He should treat his students kindly. He should never be harsh. Teaching is not an easy job. It is an arduous task and requires hard work both from the student and the teacher. An ideal teacher must be punctual. He should attend his classes at time. He should be regular in his work. He should prefer his basic duty to all other side issues. He should be a man of principle. A good teacher should not only teach his students but also train them for the challenges of life. Teaching requires complete devotion. A teacher's main interest should lie in learning. A person who is not interested in his work cannot do justice with his job. Teaching should be a passion for a teacher and not only a means of earning. A good teacher must be a good learner. He should keep in touch with the new developments and trends in the field of education. A good teacher is a model for his students. He should have all the good qualities of mind and soul. An ideal teacher should be a positive role model for the younger generation in his company. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.